कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम बात करेंगे गुड एट, गुड इन एंड गुड विद की। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेइंग आई एम गुड इन इंग्लिश, आई एम गुड इन इंग्लिश एंड आई एम गुड एट इंग्लिश. One of the numerous meanings of good is component, skillful, clever at or in a certain action or pursuit. The two expressions are often used interchangeably, but generally speaking, good at is used with an activity. He is good at football. She is good at product design. Her mother is good at trivial pursuit. When Fatima was only 6, she was good at drawing. When it comes to school subjects, both good at and good in are used. Suppose Mohan is good at math. He always finishes first. Mohan is good in math. He makes all A's. It's difficult to formulate a rule for good in. Like an actor can be good in a role. A level-headed friend is good in an emergency. A similar expression used to indicate competency is good with. Because Mohan is good with numbers. He plans to study accounting. Mohan is good with children. He wants to be an elementary teacher. Mohan is good with his hands. He remodeled the entire house. Mohan is good with money. He saves at least 40% of his allowance every week. So here are some examples of all three expressions as used on the web. So Michael Phelps, good at swimming, better at golf. Why are humans and dogs so good at living together? School shootings. We are good at finding fault, not so good at finding solution. It's true that people who are good at music can learn a language sooner. Are you good in a crisis? Are pit bulls good with kids? Are you good or awful with money? Is it?